Welcome back to the channel. I can't tell if you guys are crooked or not, but like that's none of my business at this point in life. We are at Matt's parents' house. We've been here for like, I don't know, a week just because of our schedules with the holidays. And then this weekend we leave for Florida for my best friend's wedding. So it doesn't really make sense to like go back and forth since the girl is gonna be staying put here. I just don't want to take her out of her routine. And I've been cooking a lot, which is fabulous. But what I've also been doing a lot of is stealing Matt's parents' Element. And they're so sweet. They're so supportive. They went to drinkelement.com/Lauren Elizabeth, as one good person does. Because when you do that, you get 8 free sample packs. That's 8 whole packets. I drink one a day. That's like 8 free days. And so I went and I had to stop at my grandma's and I picked up an Element box because I have been drinking all of the Elements since I've been staying here. That's just like not fair. Literally every single day I go and grab one, and they like just got their order last week. They were like so excited because they always see us drinking it. And I obviously did my pitch, sold them on it, and they love it. But now the box is like half empty since we've been living here with them. So I did the right thing. I went and got my box because I have like the subscription, and I brought it here for them. If you guys aren't familiar with Element, you know the drill. I can't believe I don't have this memorized. 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams potassium. The scientific backed researched formula that's gonna give you just like everything you need and nothing that you don't. So you're always performing peak top of your game. You guys know lately I've been loving kickstarting my day with it. I find that it helps so much better, especially since a lot of times I intermittent fast, not really on purpose, but I also work out in the morning. So it's really good to replenish and start my day like that. It has made such a difference in my overall well-being for real, but not every day is perfect. So if I don't end up getting to it, because like at this point I'm like living out of my car. I actually filmed this earlier in my car, but I got a new camera and then I like formatted the card and lost the footage, whatever. Again, none of my business. No sugar, 2 grams of carbs, electrolyte drink mix. When you sweat, the first thing you lose, electrolytes, is salt. You need to replenish them that way. I mean, I'm no doctor, but I instantly feel better after I drink one, and pretty much everyone says the same thing. Last minute gift for the holidays, set up an Element subscription. Do that, use my code, get the little free packs, and be like, surprise, I got you 6 months of health and wellness. Because I love you and I want you to live forever and feel amazing. Don't say I never gave you any good tips. I'm sweating. We are 1 month from moving out. I'm so excited because I just can't, like, especially like cooking again has got me so excited to like meal prep and be even more routines and just like feel like decorate. Like, you guys know, like my life revolves around home. And so like not having our own home has been extremely hard on me because so much of my anxiety is like based on my environment and like my alone time and like my set. Like when my anxiety is really bad, I used to remember like I couldn't see a piece of fuzz across the room without stopping everything I was doing, going and like getting the fuzz. So it's been really tough on me mentally, just not having my own space. It's also like kind of why I'm so bad at traveling. Feeling better than I was last week. I know, like I said last week, I was like, I'm a broken record, but that was just like 2 weeks of like, obviously getting engaged is so exciting, but it just like adds this like big life change overwhelmingness that you have to plan. And I just feel like with the holidays, it's so hard to plan anything. So that's why I've just been saying like, don't ask me about wedding planning until after we've moved. Like I can't deal with it. Like we've had so much going on. Like I simply cannot, I don't have the capacity to add anything else to my plate right now. We just need to make it to 2025. And now I feel like it's really close. So I think I'm in better spirits because not only is like make it to 2025 the vibe, we're like actually almost there. We're so close. But watch me be like depressed again tomorrow. It's fine. I did see a TikTok. This girl was like, normalize feeling different every single day. Like one day you wake up, you feel amazing. The next day you wake up, you're like super anxious. You feel like crap. Like the next day you wake up, you have your shit together. It's like, we are human beings. We're not robots. And it was a good reminder because I put such an unrealistic expectation on myself that when I'm doing good, I feel amazing, that when I have a bad day, I like berate myself, as you could tell by last week's vlog. So it was just like nice reminder of like, oh, of course, like you see everyone on social media and you think they feel amazing every single day just because like that's how we curate content. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Like you guys don't want to watch me complain every single week. Hello? You'd complain that I was complaining, you know, it's like a lose-lose situation. So it was just a good reminder for me because even if you're not a content creator sharing like your inner deepest feelings all the time, you still feel them, you know? Don't you miss my podcast where I talk about my feelings every week? Probably not. I'm gonna make chicken piccata, which is just like lemon chicken with butter, capers, lemon, flour. So easy. And then I'm gonna do a little arugula side salad. And I have a cookie exchange tomorrow because I'm a suburban mom. Go off, queen. And Matt's gonna help me bake the cookies later, which is either gonna go really good or really bad. Honestly, I'm like way too far away. But this little like phone stand thing has been the biggest game changer because I think I have carpal tunnel from being on my phone all the time. So like taking some of the weight out of my hand, and then obviously I use it for vlogging. What the heck? I'm gonna make buttered noodles with Parmesan for us on the side, but mostly for the girl. I'm gonna cook them in bone broth because collagen, protein, and then I'm using Goodles because it has like the fiber and the protein. So it's not as like bad, but it's super easy. And then the chicken piccata will be super easy. I'm baking and it's safe to say it's not going well. Oh my God. I am wearing a really cute outfit though. Hold on. So I went to the eye doctor. You can really see it in this light. Look at that. It like hurts really bad. Oh my God, my body hurts. I'm wearing a cute outfit. I'll show you in a sec, but it's like a mock neck. I got it in 3 colors. Oh my God. So hopefully this video I filmed for TikTok and Instagram turns out like kind of funny because Olive was like she was basically baking with me. And it was like really cute and she was actually kind of like helping and she loved it. I was like, oh my God, yay. Still need like a toddler tower because she was on the counter. But it was a good like first step. I was using a 1/2 cup measuring cup instead of a cup. So I like obviously messed up all those measurements. And then I did tablespoons instead of teaspoons for vanilla. And I'm going to a cookie exchange tonight, so I have to make 2 batches because we donate one to a fundraiser. We eat one at the cookie exchange. So I'm going to make the second batch, and Matt's watching Olive. I realized that I do all these measurements wrong. I'm like, waiting for Matt to go to the store with Olive to go get me more butter, more brown sugar, because I have to make a 3rd batch. But the first one, it doesn't taste horrible. It's just like I want to do it the right way. And also like there's a winner tonight, just like between like the girls, not for like the actual fundraiser. I'm making brown sugar like Pop-Tart cookies basically. I don't know, I saw it on TikTok. So hopefully the video with Olive turns out kind of funny, or else we just wasted like almost an hour of our lives. Not an hour probably, but there's not enough hours in the day right now. I don't know why I agreed to do a cookie exchange. I need to edit and I need to shoot something for Instagram, and I haven't even eaten, and it's like 3 p.m. because I've been running around. I even like scheduled a last minute doctor's appointment for my eye because I thought like maybe something was like really, really wrong. Basically it was like, I'm not sure, but like try this cream, like your actual eyeball is fine. I was like, okay. I'm just like waiting for the day I go to the doctor and they're like, oh, but it's today, your eyeball's coming out. But no, just cream. That's just a little bit about me. I mean, I look like a freak and I have to stand up in a wedding this weekend. We're gonna take 5 minutes apiece and then we're gonna get back to the cookies. Really quickly, I'm playing with my camera. What a great shot of my earrings. Aren't they cute? Oh, I just touched my eye. Ah. Getting a little up close and personal. I think I have it on like a setting that makes it a little closer, so we'll figure that out next week. But eyes a little better. I put on the like steroid antibiotic cream and I'm gonna put it on again later, but I'm at my grandma's house because we leave for Florida tomorrow. I posted a video of a few dresses that I was considering wearing for the rehearsal dinner, and I think I'm gonna do the pink. I'm really excited about it because like when else am I gonna wear it? I've had this vision for like a pink shimmery dress since like last summer, and it's finally coming true. So I'm really excited about that. And then my bridesmaid dress, I got to pick out and it's so cute. So I'm excited about both dresses, and we're flying Friday, fly out Sunday. It'll be super quick so I don't have to be gone from the girl that long. I'm just so excited for my bestie to get married. I waxed Matt's eyebrow, pivot. I waxed Matt's eyebrows, and embarrassingly enough, I have to wax my own nose. My brother used to make fun of me because he said it was like aerodynamic, like you can like see into my nose. And I'm Italian, so I have like a lot of nose hair. And so I just wax it all out. So I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. I don't get them done anymore. I did find this girl in the city that I really liked, but I'm like too lazy to go find someone I like because I just feel like they don't need that much work. So it's like a small place to save a small amount of money, I guess. Do them yourself, I do mats myself. So like that's like a solid little like save. And then my spray tan girl, opposite of saving, comes here. And so she'll be here in like an hour-ish. And I'm gonna get a spray tan and then just pack up my stuff, go back to Matt's parents' house and hang out with the girl before we go to the airport. I feel the light at the end of the tunnel. I feel good. I'm even gonna be crazy. We're playing pickleball tomorrow. I'm technically getting a workout in tomorrow, and then I might be crazy and bring workout clothes for Saturday morning, even though like sleeping in with no kid in a hotel bed, dad, I'll wake up and do it. But if I naturally wake up, I'm gonna be like, just go to the gym, because it makes me feel so good after. And today was the first time where I like wanted to work out. I like forgot my gym shoes and I was like, no, I'm gonna go back home and get them. Like I want to go. Who is she? But I'm telling you, when you take care of yourself, you feel better. And I've been swallowing a clove of garlic every day because my sinuses, now I'm just dry because the temperature dropped. It's like freezing now. We don't have a humidifier there. So now it's just dryness, but I felt like a sinus infection or like cold coming on, and I've been swallowing a clove of garlic a day and it works. It's crazy. I was even like thinking like, do I make my friends like get a kick out of it and like bring 2 cloves of garlic to like take orally when I get there? Cause I just love fucking with them. They're always like, you're so weird. I was even considering wearing my new leopard pants to the airport just to get their reactions, but I don't know if I want to, so we'll see. So I'm gonna go do this. Okay, we've been a little MIA because I was at a wedding, still dealing with some minor eye issues, but I think I'm mostly just inflamed from traveling. Usually Saturdays are my like self-care days because that's what you get when you want to watch football all weekend. You know what I mean? That's the compromise. So I'm gonna go to my friend's house. It's Monday morning. I'm gonna go to my friend's house to see her son that I haven't seen like forever. They just moved to the suburbs, which is like so exciting for the group. So my best friend, we were just together all weekend, but I want to see your son. So, and usually I would bring Olive, but I don't want to pull her out of school today because I have so much to get done. So I just went in with the Agent Nature hair oil, Crown Affair hair oil, and Anna Blue oil. I don't think going in with this many hair oils is necessary, obviously. I just happen to have them. I bought this one and I was gifted the other 2. And since I only do it like once a week, I like to kind of just like do a little bit of each. So I can't really tell you which one's the best, honestly. I think the only thing that I'm like biased about is that this one's a spray, which I've showed you guys before. It's just like, I like enjoy using this one because of that functionality piece. And then I just like do like a little massage. And then I wet my hair. I usually do, what was the hair mask? I was doing the Crown Affair hair mask, but I think I ran out of it. Is there a hair mask in here? Look how cute this is. It's like a little gift set. I'm obsessed with their accessories, honestly. But since we're moving, I'm trying to kind of like keep everything as organized as possible. So I'm gonna go in with whatever I have left of the Way hair mask. And it also like smells so good. So I wet my hair a little bit so that it like has a little grip, so we're not just putting it on dry hair. This is gonna help it like absorb and really do its thing. My hair is so dry from the wedding this weekend because of just like all the styling back to back for the rehearsal dinner and the wedding. And then they like, when you get your hair done professionally, they like, you know, they tease it, they put in hairspray, and it's like stuff like I never do. But I'm just like, whatever, do your thing. So it looks really good. It was just like between that and the humidity, it was just gross. So, and so then I'm gonna go to the gym and therapy. So I'm just gonna slick my hair back into a bun so that when I use my like detox shampoos and stuff, we're still gonna get rid of all that product that was used this weekend, but also leave with some like healthy and happy hair and scalp. Amazing weekend, had so much fun. I loved the dresses that I ended up wearing. There's something wrong with the iPhone, you guys. Like the pictures that we took were like mostly horrendous this weekend ever since I updated my phone. So I think I have to like take the pictures in the Tezza app now. That's like a little hack I saw on TikTok that like, if you take them in another like camera app, the pictures aren't as bad. I'm gonna try to do that and see. But oh my God, I looked like, I can't even post a picture of what I looked like on the rehearsal dinner night. It was, well, I'm gonna show you guys the dress, but ooh, brutal. I think I'm gonna put this at the end of this week's vlog. So we'll start the rest of the day for next week, just because I kind of ended a little bit early. We've had a lot going on, obviously going back and forth between houses. So I'll give you all the updates of what we're gonna do this week, starting in next week's vlog that I'm gonna start filming right now, but you know the drill. So subscribe, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok for updates on the way, and I'll see you guys next week over here.